Yes, hello, welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. As usual, thank you so much for subscribing and thank you so much for following. Yes, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Today, we are going to look at how to remove the background of an image using Microsoft PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. Let's get started. And since I'm going to deal with an image only, I'm going to delete these text boxes. I don't need them. Just cut them out of the working area. Alright, the next step is to insert my image. I'll go to the insert tab and then pictures, and then I'll get the picture from my device, or if I prefer I can get from online pictures. However, this time around let me get the pictures from my device. So I think it's in the downloads. Let me get one of my pictures here. Alright, so this is the picture that we shall work with. You know, we have to remove all that background. This is not Photoshop, but using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. This, as you can see, is our image. We can crop it if we want. Let me start by cropping it. Just go to the format picture tab, and then on your extreme right you'll see crop over here. Click on crop and then select the area that you want to cut out of the picture. When you're done, just click anywhere outside the picture will be cropped. Next is to remove this background. So still when you click on the picture, the format picture tab will appear there, and then you go to your left, you'll see the background tool. Remove background tool is just here. Click on it and then the magic will happen. Of course, as you can see, the areas that are in pink are the areas that will be removed. As you can see the preview here. However, we want to remain with only my picture, and we don't want the background. So I'm going to say mark areas to keep. Well, let me first discard all changes, then go back to remove. Yes, so I'm going to go to the mark areas to keep. Let me first mark areas to keep actually. Then you come and click and drag the areas that you want to be kept. Perfect, I think we're good to go. So I'm going to say keep changes. When I keep my changes, boom, my background is gone, and I can put any background that I want. Yes, thank you so much for following. This is simply how you can remove your background using Microsoft PowerPoint. You can try with different images until you perfect it. It takes time, it's not very perfect, but at least it does the work for you. Thank you so much for following. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. See you again in the next video.